Hi guys, in this video we're going to show you how to use the Muscle Wizard for your low back. Hi, Dr. Jasper here. The Muscle Wizard is probably one of the best tools that you can use to find out trigger points and to be able to treat the trigger points on the low back. I designed this tool mostly because a lot of my patients need to do a lot of self-treatments at home. It's hard for them to keep coming in for therapy, so we decided to figure out how we can do something that they can use sitting at a desk or standing even, or even lying down. The Muscle Wizard comes with 4 different knobs, and 2 are a little bit closer together, and these 2 are a little bit further apart. It allows you to get slide them back side to side to find the right trigger points. Also, it hits the muscles on both sides of the low back. It's very easy to use. What you're going to do is you're going to use your knee as leverage, and let me demonstrate how to do it. All you do is you wrap this around your back, and I'm going to bring it all the way back here, and I make sure that the knobs are located right in the back. And then all we're going to do right here is we're going to take the strap and just pull on it, and that tightens the area up, and we'll pull on it a little bit more. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it over my knee, tighten the strap as much as I can, and then I'm going to drop my knee down. And as I drop my knee down, I'm getting those knobs digging right into my back. As you can see, I'm doing it hands-free. You can also do this sitting at a desk. You sit in front of your computer, put it onto your low back, and be able to type again for a couple minutes while you're getting those trigger points done. Now, if you look into the back here, as soon as I go press that into the back, as soon as I bring this knee down a little bit, what you're going to notice is that my back is arching, and all of a sudden I'm in a correct posture. So I can go into this position, stay in a correct posture, I can sit and type and do work while these muscle knobs are digging right into those trigger points. I can bring my knee back up, I can bring that up a little bit, hit some more trigger points, and then I can bring my knee down again. And again, if I bring my knee down all the way, I'm using my body force to go back a little bit, and I'm digging those Muscle Wizard knobs right into the low back. So I can go all the way to the mid-back area, and I can move it all the way down into the low back area. And I can also sit there, and because it's hands-free, I can sit there and just turn and stretch it out at the same time. I can bring my arms up and stretch it out, and I'm going to be able to dig back into those. Again, you can also do this standing up. For a lot of my patients are athletes, are on the field all the time, they're playing sports, they don't have time to sit down. Somebody's waiting to get their turn playing baseball, they can wrap this around their back standing. They can use it as a pre-warm-up even before they got on the field. Or people who are working a lot, doing a lot of standing work, they can actually do the same thing standing up. One of the best ways to do this is actually lying down. When you're lying down, it's very similar. What is happening is you bring it down on your back. You can actually put it around both knees. And what you want to do is you want to go to the edge of the bed and just drop your legs down. And what happens as soon as your legs go past the edge of the bed, it's going to traction the back out also. So not only are you getting the trigger points worked out, but you're getting a gentle traction of the back. A lot of my patients who use a lot of traction devices find out that just doing it with the Muscle Wizard pretty much gives them the same type of relief in addition to working on those muscle knots. So if you have muscle knots in the low back, you can hit both sides at the same time. You can go from all the way to the top of the mid-back, all the way down to the low back, find a spot, hold it, and you can adjust the pressure just by the amount of pressure you use with the knee. At the end of the day, Muscle Wizard is a great product to work on the low back. If you need any more videos on how the Muscle Wizard can help with different muscle groups, you can go to our website, wizardofhealth.net, or you can go to our e-commerce site, musclewizard.net. You can find a lot of videos there. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you guys in another video.